years of waiting in the wings, public school teachers are finally moving up the ladder and seeing their tireless efforts pay off. The long overdue promotions give their hard work, dedication, and countless sacrifices the recognition they have been crying out for. Finally, after putting years of patience and perseverance to good use. This report. For 38 years, Lucia served as a Teacher 1. She admitted that her journey towards a higher position was not easy.
Dati po yung naging substitute teacher, provisional, tapos teacher 1 po.
Lucia is just one of the thousands of teachers nationwide who have long voiced concerns over promotion delays. In line with the promise of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. that no teacher should retire as Teacher 1, the chief executive led the mass oath-taking of 1,991 newly promoted teachers and school heads from Bulacan and Pampanga. Among those promoted were teachers moving up from Teacher 2 to Teacher 7, Master Teacher 1 to Master Teacher 3, and School Principals 1 to Principal 4.
Sa loob ng matagal na panahon, meron sa inyo ang nawalan na ng pag-asa na mapopromote pa. Dahil sa dami ng responsibilidad sa paaralan, sa komunidad, sa pamilya, nawalan na kayo ng oras na makuha ang mga requirement para sa promotion o di kaya ay wala nang aakyatan pa sa inyong organisasyon. Inakala ninyo marahil na magre-retire kayong hindi nakakatikim ng ma-promote. Hindi ako papayag na hindi masuklian ang inyong sakripisyo.
The promotions are part of the implementation of Republic Act 1228 or the Career Progression for Public School Teachers and School Leaders Act. According to the President, this seeks to address long-standing promotion delays and recognize teachers' professional growth and years of dedicated service.
I have always believed that the true measure of a nation's progress is the kind of future that we prepare for our youth.
The president also stressed that even with modern technology, nothing can replace the role of teachers in shaping the youth.
Kahit ilang laptop, artificial intelligence o ano pang teknolohiya ang gamitin natin, wala pa ring papalit sa pagmamahal, sa malasakit at sa alaga ng ating mga guro sa inyong mga estudyante. You are the ones who teach them the lessons for work and for life, how to care for others, how to be responsible, how to stand with integrity. These are the foundations of a strong society, and they are built day to day in your classrooms.
He said the administration continues to prioritize education with the largest allocation in the 2026 national budget devoted to the sector, alongside various programs supporting teachers.
That is why our responsibility as a government is to stand beside you, making your profession more sustainable, more dignified, and more rewarding. Kagaya ng aking nasabi sa dati, prioridad natin ang edukasyon hanggang matapos ang administrasyong ito.
Sobrang saya po kasi po sa 38 years na Teacher 1, hindi ko po inaasahan na talaga pong magre-retire na po ako. Bigla po na nabanggit po ni President na wala pong magre-retire ng Teacher 1. Makakatulong po ito ng malaki kasi po yung may nag-aaral pa po ako na isang anak. Malaking tulong din po yun sa aming pamilya.
So far, around 16,000 teachers have been promoted under the ECP system, while some 40,000 applications are currently under review. This is Sharm Zespina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.